Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide contacts on WhatsApp without deleting them. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do, if you want to hide contacts on your WhatsApp without deleting them, is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Once you open the WhatsApp application, locate the contact you want to hide, press and hold it, then click on the archive button at the top right. Then you should see the contact removed from the list. Then search through and see another contact you want to hide again, press and hold it, and then archive it, and that is it. So if you close the WhatsApp application, and then you go ahead and open it again, then the contact will be disappeared. Now, to unhide the contact, click on Archived, then locate the contact, press and hold it, click on Archive button at top right. Then again, search through all other contacts you want to unhide, press and hold it, and then unarchive it. Now, if you go back to the WhatsApp page, then you'll see the contact unarchived, and there you go. So that's exactly how to hide contact on WhatsApp. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.